Jordan here from YoChicago.com, and I am here revisiting Emerald Bay in Round Lake. I was here about this time last year, and when I came here last year I started all the way in the back, which is up north, and I've started in a similar location to find that quite a lot of construction is still going on here. Have a crew here working on a set of townhomes to my right. Let code enforcement pass me by, which is fine. And as I pan over, I got another foundation that looks like it has been recently laid down here. If I remember correctly, when I got to this divider point here, the two buildings on my left were not complete, and this one that's one of the garages facing north wasn't even here. So it looks like at least 20, maybe even 24 units have been built here since last year, and I find that to be quite impressive. That's some of the most construction I have seen in my revisits. Emerald Bay is still a completely townhome unit. Prices start just under $150,000 and one in the 140s. 2 to 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 1,380 to 1,673 square feet. They still have 5 plans. It's good to see that they are still building strong out here. I'm now standing at the entrance to Emerald Bay here, and as we can see, they have a 6-unit townhome under construction here right at the front. Doesn't appear to be anyone here currently at the sales center, although there are no for sale signs at the sales center, so I'm assuming they are still open. Their models are all still there. And it looks like this place is still building and doing relatively well compared to other new construction subdivisions.